which cheaper whiskey was the one that significantly exceeded your expectations? Like the one that has great price to value ratio?
Jack Daniels.
Jack Daniels, okay.
Jack Daniels, I swear, I went there 5 years ago. They did nothing. They did like 6 items. And I kept on saying, why don't you do more? Oh, nobody wants more from us. And in the last 3 years, they've done a lot more. And you're like, wow. Because the price is normal. Like a Jack Daniel 10-year-old, a Jack Daniel 12-year-old, like it's delicious Tennessee whiskey, and it's under $100, under $150. That to me would be the one that's like an international phenomenon. That was $40 whiskey, great $30 whiskey, great $25 whiskey, and now they have like 80, 90, 100. But also remember, your question's loaded, because what's cheap to me might be expensive for somebody else.
Yeah. Of course, but in general, whiskey is not a really cheap drink. So even the starter ones are, it would be impossible to produce it really cheaply.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.